operational. Please visit your dealer for service.
Okay, so now the signal is on, going to the left, but as you can see, I'm moving the turn signal and it's not going off or changing. I don't think the high flasher is working either. The windshield wipers work. Squirter works. But now the turn signal is just flashing that way no matter which way I do the thing. Or turn the steering wheel. So I'm sitting in my driveway right now. I'm going to turn the truck off. Give it a second.
911 assist is not operational.
Yeah, that thing
Please
keeps
visit
coming
your
on
dealer
too.
for service.
So now I'm turning the truck back on. Turn signal is off. Still getting messages. All kinds of lights. Trying the turn signal again. No turn signal. Oh, wait a minute. Got a turn signal that way, but it won't turn off. Oh, I stand corrected. Turn signal is not turning off when the handle goes back down. Handle up, handle down. Oh. Now it's up, signal not working. Down, signal is working. Back up, it off. Up, off, on, down. So you can see it's hit or miss. Okay, goodbye.